Okay.
We are Quilters HQ, Windmill Sewing Center, and Sewing Machines Express. The websites are quiltershq.com, windmillsewingcenter.com, and QHQ, the number 2.com. Picture. Block 27. Yes, 27. I like this block. This is a really cute, looks like tulips and pretty simple. I've already got my block cut out. I'm going to start with my half square triangles. Oh, coincidence, Moda says start there too. And I've already checked my stitch rate. Yep, that's good too. So comment and let us know what you're working on. What you've completed lately. Those are good milestones of, oh, I finished a quilt. Or a table runner or placemats. Do you think we'll have a fabric sale at our anniversary sale?
Sure.
That would be fun.
I think we got to reschedule this virtual sew-along thing. This little free sew.
We do. So there are 8 of these. These are the half square triangles that make up the tulip portion. And they're in the darker color. Okay. So what's everybody working on, Molly?
Janice finished a memory quilt for her granddaughter.
Oh, how
Oh,
fun.
that's nice.
Kathy says she's still hunting for her sewing mojo.
Kathy, you just moved, right? You're still getting your sewing room put together? I get that.
It was Kathy, was it?
Was it? Somebody did recently. Besides me.
Shelly's going to the Highway 36 shop hop.
Nice.
Nice. I haven't done one of those in ages, and I kind of miss it because it's fun to visit the other shops. We should take a road trip, honey.
Road trip.
Do we have anybody new tonight?
No, just Carrie.
Just Carrie. Carrie's not new.
I'm sorry to hear that, Mrs. Cranford. Soon, though, you'll be able to sew.
Yeah, one of our regulars I saw today had a broken wing, so it'll be a little while before she can sew. This is why I love AccuQuilt. Okay, there is all of our half square triangles. So these actually go together and make a block. Let's see if I can put it together upside down. Just like that. So I'm going to piece these together and then just piece the white ones together. But I do need to lay them out because if I don't, I will absolutely sew one of these the wrong way. And I don't want to have to dig for a seam ripper.
No.
Open this back up and make sure I'm sewing on the right side. Okay.
There's a new viewer, Vanetta.
Vanetta,
First time
welcome.
watching.
Oh, that's awesome. Welcome.
Vanetta, we have 3 more blocks of this project, and then we're going to be starting something new. We might do something else in between. But we do fabric sales and inspiration. We're going to do some inspiration after this. This is a pretty quick block, so one of the things, I think I've talked about this several times, one of the things I like about sampler quilts is you could take any of the blocks and just make a quilt out of that one block, and this would make a really cute one with a sashing. I'm going to press these seams toward the unpieced block, and this is the multifunction finger presser tool, or the doohickey, and this saves me from having to run to the ironing board every time. I do use this at home too. It's just a great tool to have because you can just sit and sew and use your sewing machine bed just like I'm using it. And press those seams enough that you can continue to piece without walking over to the iron or waiting for the iron to heat up. Okay. And then these go together just like this. Go this way.
And I have the Zoom thing all set up, so.
You have the Zoom thing all set up?
Mm-hmm.
When is it?
Well, I have the account.
Oh.
You have to set up the test and all that good stuff.
Asking about unpacking progress at the new house.
Oh boy. It's going.
Are we in sync or what?
I took more stuff there. They're just waiting to see your room.
Yeah, I've still got some work to do there.
You made a little bit of progress though. Did some sewing.
I did some sewing. I
Yesterday?
didn't really make progress. I just was like, I'm done unpacking for a minute. I need to sew something, so I did.
You sewed a lot. It was like a pile of blocks in there.
Yeah, I didn't really make anything though.
I think that's okay.
Yeah, it's perfectly fine. I felt like sewing, and so I did. Okay, let's lay out our block. We don't need these little pieces
Send it to
here.
both of you.
And once you have these pieces, this is just basically a 9-patch. Super easy to put together. But if you're me, you have to lay it out and make sure that all of your pieces are pointing in the right direction. Okay, so I'm just gonna chain piece these.
It's a pretty cool block.
It is a cool block.
Oh, Patsy, how are you?
Okay, so pressing, I'm going to press my seams towards the middle, towards the unpieced, on the outside corners. The inside one, I'm going to press towards the outside so that it nests
We are a little quiet.
nicely. We're a little tired today.
I think we are a little, tired.
I'm struggling with a sinusitis thing.
And apparently I got a bad tooth.
So you're not catching us at our best right now. We're at our mediocre.
We're at the just below the medium line. It is very hot. It is gonna get ridiculously hot here. Hey, Stephanie. Finished tumbling block quilt top. Next, I'll get a sandwich. Okay, nice.
Nice.
Linda, we got you. Sorry about that. Yeah, will you post that? Hey, Julie, how are you tonight? Hold on, Linda. We'll go ahead and post that how to register so Carrie can get your information and get that out to you. Sorry about that.
And last little bit.
Hey, Cecilia, how are you?
Welcome.
I'll post the link, but it's extremely long.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Dig up a little chat.
Yeah, hopefully that will help you, Lisa, on that. We're good over here. We're a little quiet, as the community said, and you are never late to the quilting community. It's just not possible. You're making an entrance. Block the door.
There you go. There's our finished block.
At least you gave a smile.
I like this block. I
It is a
used
cool
this
block.
block in several quilts, several sampler quilts.
All right, give us your emojis on the block. Beverly liked the block. That's awesome.
That is us for tonight. Always, always, always a reminder. If you're having problems sewing, rethread your sewing machine, check your thread path, change your needle. You might need a larger needle if you're getting caterpillaring, where it's part of the thread is breaking and winding up your needle. You might need a larger needle. And then oil your rotary hook before you bring it in for a spa day. And since we're talking about spa days for your sewing machine, there is very little wait at Windmill, so bring those machines in and get them in for service or repair.
Definitely check the thread path, and if you do
Yeah.
have tension discs on there somewhere, try to make sure that you double check them, because we do get a lot of calls, and rethreading does help a lot.
I have looked at my machine and said, I absolutely know 100% that it is
Right.
threaded correctly. I am like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, it's threaded correctly. Sewing like ugly stitches. Rethread the whole machine and then they're perfect. So I don't know how that works. I think there are gremlins that are like, nope, you're going to have some frustration today. So, but rethreading the machine, nothing looks different, but I don't know, maybe there was some lint or something stuck in there.
It could be, yeah, and then you kind of get it out when you go back around or something.
Yep.
So who knows? With a little piece of thread.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Yep.
So.
Okay, thank you for joining us, and we will see you next Tuesday